Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today's video, I'm going to take you through how to fix Call of Duty Warzone not opening or crashing in 2026. So the first thing you have to do is I'm going to open my Steam. And after I open my Steam, I'm going to go to Call of Duty where in the library, and I'm going to see here all my games. So for my case, I'll go for Call of Duty and I'll right click and go to manage and browse local files. If I go to browse local files, I'm going to scroll down and until I see the code. After I see the code, I'm going to right click and go to properties. And on properties, what you have to do is go to compatibility. And from compatibility, you have to run this program in compatibility mode and run this program as an administrator and then click apply. That's all you have to do, and this will fix your issue of the game not opening and crashing. Thank you.